Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Do you pronounce it as AHOF? 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 Rendezvous? AHOF. AHOF. Okay. Well, let's check out AHOF, shall we? In 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Interesting vibe in the beginning. Is this the stairs of a Big Bang music video? Bro, if this is right, I'm a true VIP. Hold up, let me do my research. If I'm right on this, if I'm hitting the dots of the stair set of a music video that I've seen so long ago. Hold up, I forgot, I think it was a Japanese track. Is it Beautiful Hangover? Is it Beautiful Hangover? Is it Beautiful Hangover? Oh my God, I'm cooking. I'm cooking right now. Hold up. Is it Beautiful Hangover? Hold on. I am amazing. I am amazing. Bro, the fact that bro, never question my VIP-ness. Never. That's the same. Wow, that's crazy. Clap it up, everybody. All right, let's check out the group. I like the sound of it already. How long have they been debuted, or did they just debut? Do we know? These are debut songs. Ah. Ooh. This I love the vibe of it. Ooh. Oh. There's no like English subs, right? No. Why does it feel like old school? Sounds like almost second gen feel. No? Am I tripping? Feels so second gen. Like, well, parts of it at least. It's almost like feels nostalgic. Am I? I have to look at the comments after this, because I'm like, wait, like, is it like different wait. Ring is definitely doing something. Or like their accessory. Oh. Oh. love the instrumental. It's so nostalgic feeling. It sounds like some Big Bang stuff. I don't know. I don't want to like compare. Wait. I gotta look at the. Somebody has to say it too, right? Oh, am I tripping, bro? Oh, thanks for following, by the way. Hold up, Rendezvous. Wait, what do people say? Am I tripping?
We love you, Dre.
They sound good. Second and third gen fans assemble. Okay, wait. I'm gonna blink. This song reminds me of Big Bang, and I really love how. Okay, I'm not tripping. Is it? Was it made for like that? It was 4 minutes too. Damn. Oh, near 4 minutes. I didn't feel that long. Wait. So not everybody's tripping, right? Okay, I'm not the only one. Okay. I was gonna say it sounds like a Big Bang song in a way, and that's not bad at all. If you think that's bad, get out of here, bro. I'm loving every minute of this. It feels nostalgic. An OG K-pop song is 3 minutes long. Intro, free chorus, feels like a free. Okay. So that's why it's hitting me differently. I could see why people are telling me to check this out in the comments. I am so sorry. Like, when it got to this part right here, not even this, like this part right here. I swear to God, I heard something like that for T.O.P. Like that kind of vibe. Right? No. Wait, hold me. Thrown back, bro. Throwback for real. I love it. Thank you for introducing me to this.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.